Familiar, the area chairman. And together with him is our area youth coordinator, Pastor Jethro Carpentero. And with them is the area president, Angelica Bravo. Ayan, palagpagan naman po natin sila from Area 4. Okay. Ayan, thank you so much. Now, let's welcome Area 5. Okay, Area 5, let's call on the area chairman, Pastor Ernie Marin. Okay. Parang tahimik yung Area 5. Wala ba si Pastor? Busy ba? Busy? Okay, ayan. Si Pastor Ernie Marin, and together with him is the area youth coordinator, Pastor... Teka lang, wala nakalagay dito. Sino ang area youth coordinator po natin? Si Pastor. Ayan, di ko marinig si brother. Ay, si sister. JC Pantaparong. Ayun. Ito naman si Pastor JC. May kinakausap doon. Ayan, si Pastor JC Pantaparong, ang ating pong area or youth coordinator. Thank you so much, Pastor. And also, our area youth president is none other than Jane Air Seriliano. Okay, let's give them a round of applause. And also, let's go on, let's move on to area 6. Ayan, area 6, mga kapatid. Okay, area 6, Pastor Dexter Agarita, area chairman, and together with him is the area youth coordinator, Pastor Jumet Bernabe. And with them is the area president, Jonalay Maximo. Yay! Ayan, welcome, welcome. Okay, ito na. From area 7, we would like to call on area chairman, Frederick B. Calumos. Ayan, grabe daw si Pastor. And together with him is the area youth coordinator. Ayan, teka lang, hindi ko nakalagay dito. Pastor, sorry Pastor. Ang area youth coordinator po ng area 7 ng other than Pastor Jepwell Absede. Together with them is Dempsey May Cardito. Grabe ba? Asa na si Dempsey? Wala ba? Okay. Ano po? Okay, let's move on to another area. Area 8. Ano po sa ng energy? From bundok ng Antipolo, umakyat ulit ng another bundok ng Nueva Ecija. Let's welcome Pastor Luchin Gimena, our area chairman of Area 8. And together with him is Pastor Glenn Amican, the youth coordinator, and of course, our area president, Jmar Rowan Amora. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin ang area 8. Okay, now, syempre, ito na po mga kapatid. Ang kulay ng damit ko, area 9. Ang area chairman, Pastor Freddy Magira, together with him is the area youth coordinator, Pastor Christian